Margazhi திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் நீராட போதுவீர் பொதுவினோ நேரிழையீரோட வாழை மரம் கொண்டு வந்து நிறுத்தி போப்புடைய பந்தரில் நேர்கட்டு கட்டி நாரை வெல்லும் சீர் கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னை பாடிப்பறை கொண்டு யாம் பெரும் சம்மானம் நாடு புகழும் பரிசினால் நன்றாக ஊடகமே தோள்களையே தோரே செவிப்பூவே ஆடகமே என்றனைய பல்கலனும் யாம் அணிவோம் ஆடலையுப்போம் அதன் பின்னே பாசோறு. இங்க பாக்குறது இதுதான். மூட நெய் பெய்து முழங்கை வழிவார கூடி இருந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் என்பாவாய்னு ஆண்டாள் சொல்ற ரீதியில இங்க ஆச்சரியமான ஒரு அக்காரவடிசல் இந்த பூமா சுந்தரராஜனுடைய கிரகத்துல இன்னைக்கு ஆண்டாள் வந்து ஏழி அனுகிரகம் பண்ணியிருக்கா. இதுக்கு எப்பேற்பட்ட ஒரு பாக்கியம் ஒரு சுக்குர்த்தம் இருந்தாதான் இப்படி ஒரு அமைப்பு இன்னைக்கு பெருமாள் குருவாரத்துல அமைச்சு கொடுத்துருக்கான். இது அமைச்சு கொடுத்த ஆண்டாள் நாச்சியாருக்கு ஒரு பல்லாண்டு சொல்லிட்டு இப்ப நெய்வேத்தியத்துக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போலாம். இதை பெருமாள் கண்டொருள பண்றதுக்காக இப்போ இந்த லக்ஷ்மி மாமியும் பூமா மாமியும் ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. வைபோகமே ஆண்டாள் கல்யாண
விதிதம்புவனே விபீஷணோ வா யதி வா ராவணயித்யுதீரிதம் தே உஜகேந்திர கருத்மதாதிகப்யைஹி த்வதனுப்யானுபவம் பிரவாஹவேதைஹி.
காஃபிங்கிறது வந்து பால் சூடாக இருக்கணும், டிகாஷன் திக்காக இருக்கணும், சூடாக இருக்கணும். நான் வந்து சர்க்கரை யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேன், நாட்டு சர்க்கரை தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். பண்ண வேலை தோணுது. ஸோ அது கம்மியாக போட்டு அது ஸ்ட்ராங்காக சுகர் கம்மியாக ஒரு அரை கப் அப்படி சாப்பிட்டா கூட அந்த டே ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் அமேசிங்.
Okay. So what is it that makes Akkaravadisal a so special dish? And what is Akkaravadisal? Like we have a lot of audience that is like not so aware to this term, and how will we try to make this a more pan-Indian term?
Akkaravadisal is nothing but a sweet dish which we offer to Andal, wherein she completes her fasting the whole of this Margazhi month. She herself teaches how a fast has to be conducted to attain Lord. And while the completion of the fast, she calls all her friends and they all offer the sweet dish to Krishna. Because Krishna is so sweet, he is fond of all the sweets. He is fond of ghee, he is fond of butter, he is fond of everything. Milk also.
Yes,
so most importantly, these ingredients are only the main prime elements which we put in Akkaravadisal. And the highlight of this dish is where we put more ghee which has to fall through your elbow. That is what she says in that Paasuram also. So the tatparyam for putting that much of ghee and putting this moong dal, that is the Paasiparpu in that dish is whole of month they are in the fast, and the last couple of days they are in the process of completing their fast. So this Akkaravadisal, this ghee helps them to restore the fat whatever is
that was lost during these amount of days.
Yes. So that is being stored. So the proteins, the other elements which are there in the food item, that is stored in the body, which will help them to get back to their normalcy after the completion of the fast. Furthermore, in this Paasuram she also emphasizes, because in the second Paasuram she says, வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நாமும் நம் பாவைக்கு செய்யும் கிருசைகள் கேளீரோ பார்க்கடவுள் பையத்துயின்ற பரமனடி பாடி நெய்யுண்ணோம் ஆளுண்ணோம் நாட்காலில். She says we won't take anything.
Yes.
So we will not dress up, we will not do anything unless and until our prayers are been heard. We are going to go on a complete fast. So here she completes her fast. So that is also one of the reasons for her to take nahi.
So it's a remarcation of remembering what she claimed.
Yes.
Okay. We discussed about moong dal because it is a high source of protein and it is a part of pan-Indian dishes as well. Like if we see parallelly in Tamil Nadu also, there is another dish that is very much similar to this, is Chakare Pongal, with a slight tweakings in this. And then we have the savory version, that is Ven Pongal. If we go slightly towards the north, we have khichdi also. So all these dishes, these incorporate the use of rice and moong dal together. That is heavy use of carbohydrates and proteins. So this ensures like your body is heavy and filled. That is, it is equipped to go and make your day long. Like if you have a long day, eat this and you are ready to go. You don't have to keep craving all the day.
And here one more factor is involved while making this ven pongal. We add this pepper.
Yes.
So that helps for the digestion. And it also, because Margazhi month people go for this temple, they go for singing Thiruppavai, they get up early in the morning, as you all very well know, that Brahma Muhurtam we go. So the 1.5 hours before dawn is called as Brahma Muhurtam. So people get up during that time, and it is they take lot of ozone also is present in the atmosphere, so that is also taken by us. And the climate is very chill.
It's
So
like for just the information of our viewers, Margazhi is the Tamil month, which lies from roughly 17th or 16th of December to the 17th or 16th of January.
Yes.
That is, it covers the half of January and half of December. So the peak of winters, we might say.
Yes, so this pepper helps us to get rid of cold and cough also.
Okay, so that is another thoughtful ingredient that is being added.
Yeah. Even the prasadam what we take, this pongal or whatever, it is offered in a donnai. The donnai is again, it's a palm leaf. The donnai is made out of palm leaf, and it adds the flavor to the pongal. When you take the prasadam in the donnai, it enhances the flavor of that dish.
Okay.
So that is the reason it is offered. And taking in that leaf will have a different kind of flavor when we consume it, and it adds the value also of that food.
So the hot temperature of the pongal, it reacts chemically with the leaf and it produces enzymes which increase the flavor. Oh.
Margazhi month is considered to be the most auspicious month because it's the favorite month for Krishna. Krishna, he himself says, Masana Margazhi. He says himself. So that is why the entire month is dedicated for all the spiritual practices across the globe. So nevertheless, as you said, that we have lot of programs, lot of musicians, lot of dancers who all try to showcase their talent during that particular month, which is considered to be more auspicious. So,
in parallel in Kerala also, the same goes for Ayyappa Swami Mandala Masam. The exact
Exactly.
period is there over there in Kerala also.
and we have lot of Margazhi Utsavam where, especially in Chennai, we have all the sabhas, which is full of
Yes.
packed audience.
And sabhas will be with discussions of different mamis and mamas coming together, carrying manjapa in their hand and going to
mainly
different canteens.
canteens.
Yes, canteens is the thing which is very common in
Everybody is
discussion.
creating time bonda bhaji.
And they'll be like, this canteen pongal is nice, this canteen kesari is nice, the other canteen is good with vada.
It's also like scientifically, if you ask me, Earth come closer to Sun. Dhanur Rashi, Dhanur Masam we say. So it gets into Dhanur Rashi.
So Earth is more closer to the sun.
So and irony is, the climate is very cool, but
Okay.
We feel sleepy.
Yes,
but
yes.
they don't make us sleepy.
it
Because
becomes-
early morning we are getting that ozone layer. That is very good for our skin.
and we are on the northern side. That is why we feel chill.
Chill, okay.
But the other side is closer to the sun.
And that's why maybe that due to the gravitational pull of sun, we feel more sleepy. So it pulls us towards the ground. It keeps us stay on the bed for some long.
Exactly.
And these practices force us to be active.
Act.
Like going out and stepping out in the dawn for putting the kolam.
Early morning.
Fresh oxygen will also we'll be able to
Exactly.
breathe. Because during the workout also, like when we stretch our hands, we tend to take in more breath than usually we take in. So it instills healthy practices in us also.
Exactly. Putting kolam is very, very important aspect. First and foremost, it helps the ladies of the house to enhance their creativity, whatever they have in their
Yes.
mind. First and foremost, that is. And it also helps a person to be more mindful. When they put that kolam, you must have noticed that they put that dot kolam,
Listed
that
dots.
pulli kolam we say.
Mm.
So chikka kolam we also say.
Yes.
So one has to be very mindful when they are applying that kolam. The circle has to go along the dots, and they have a sequence. They have a
Okay.
symmetry. They have a, it should not go hayway, or else your column will get flopped.
So the way we have in junior KG hand to eye coordination, motor
Exactly,
coordination.
exactly.
Okay.
So it's not like simply, everything has got a significance behind it. Just because you are not aware, we are not keen to know. But
Yes.
there is a lot of reason behind each and every activity our ancestors have,
They've skillfully crafted this inside all these
Exactly.
practices.
And morning exercise also.
Ah.
And in
Like I
bedtime-
saw you putting the kolam and you were stretching your legs, stretching your hands. It's quite of a warm up itself, right?
It is a warm-up exercise only. We should not sit and put. We
Okay.
have to stand and we have to bring the leg out.
Okay,
So it is exercise for your hip, it is exercise for your leg, it is exercise for your. It is a warm-up exercise.
Okay, you
Actually,
start your
after
day with.
sleeping, you will feel some shifting.
Sure, yes,
So
yes.
it is an exercise, warm-up exercise.
Okay.
And by being mindful in putting that column, the day becomes more positive, because if your column goes wrong, your entire day goes wrong.
Exactly.
So if your column is complete, you feel some sort of positivity inside.
Yes.
Yeah, I have completed my task well. And chanting the Thiruppavai is not less than chanting Vedas.
Exactly.
That's what she says.
Yes.
Thiruppavai is the quintessence of Vedas. So chanting that suffices everything. All your answers are, you get all the answers when you chant Thiruppavai. Unchavarti was there for that very reason, no? So people used to, so you must be having inhibitions, she must be having some sort of inhibition. So pulling, Andal taught us only this, no? She used to wait for the Tori to come. Please,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
waiting, you please come. So let us all go together. I may not be a good singer, I may not be a good dancer. No problem. Let us all go together and sing.
She even scolds, like I love the line that she uses in 14th Paasuram. எங்களை முன்னம் எழுப்பவான் வாய்ப்பேசும் நங்கா எழுந்திர நாளாத நாகுடைய. Like very brilliantly she says, like as friendly as we talk with our friends, she also says like you told like you will wake before me, but why didn't you wake up? See the ambal poo in your pond also started blooming. Why are you not blooming your eyes? The way she says.
கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை வங்க கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை திங்கள் திருமுகத்து செடியார் சென்றிரைஞ்சி அங்க வரை கொண்ட பாறை அணி புதுவை பைங்கமல தன்னறியல் பட்டர்பிரான் கோதை சொன்ன சங்க தமிழ் மாலை முப்பரும் தப்பாமே இங்கு பரிசுரைப்பார் ஈரிரண்டு மாலை தோர் செங்கல் திருமுகத்து செல்வ திருமாலார் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இங்குருவர் எம்பாவார் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இங்குருவர் எம்பாவார்